Hello guys, today we will create a publish file, exe file of our WPF application. Okay, let's create a new project. So we will create a project. It will be a WPF app, and let's create a new. It will be a simple app in which we will just learn how can we create a publish app. Okay, so same name. I'm using 2022 version of my VS Studio and .NET 9. Okay, let's create it. So our app is ready. I actually create a ready copy app XML. It will show up a just message welcome to in our application. So I update it in my application. Okay, let me see if any error is here. So my application name is actually app is 3. Okay, let's try to execute once. Okay, looking nice. Okay, it's run successfully. Okay, let me tell you how can actually which thing we need before the extent. We need extension. Manage, come in the manage extensions. Inside the extensions, you can see this one, Microsoft Visual Studio and Styler Project 2022. I am using Visual Studio 2022, so I install it already. Let's come in the solution, and inside the solution, we will create a new app, new project. It will be a setup project. Okay, and this project will create a publish for us. So that's the same name. Okay, you can see we have three options here, three folders. Come in the first and add files. Okay, inside the files we need to add our project files. Okay, let me see where is actually our folder. Okay, let me open my project with the path of my project. So let me copy the path of my project from here. Okay, this is the path. Actually, I will give the path of the my bin folder. Okay, inside this. Okay, application folder, add files, and inside the files I will give the location of my bin and this file location. Okay, this is the file, and for the exe file I will create a shortcut. Okay, shortcut name is same. It will one shortcut for our desktop and one shortcut I will create for our program file. Okay, okay, we can create mean here some logos we can add icon which will show after publish. Okay, currently we are not creating any, adding any logo. So it is ready. We added files here. Okay, shortcuts we created already. You can see this is a one short and second is this. Okay, come in the setup folder. So setup solution project and build it. After the build, you can see it will take some time. It is depending upon the project size. Okay, libraries which are included. So it is for our case, it is actually a very simple app. So it will not take much time. It's create successfully. So let's come in the folder location inside the release. Inside the release, it is empty, and inside the debug, we can see we have a setup folder. Okay, uh, setup exe. Okay, install it. It will the this will be the location like allow for our next, and it is a very small app, so it will take minor time. Let's install it. We can change the name according to the project. So currently actually it is a test run for just see how can we create and how can we use it.